Here, traditionally today we prepare vegetable pizza. This is how it came up, guys. Put in all your vegetables, blend it up, and we mix the veggie with chicken breast. Blend it well. After blending it, add in 2 eggs. Season to 6. Always season to 6, guys. After seasoning it well, you pour over your butter on your soup. Add in your vegetables, put in your topping, and then add a cheese. For my cheese, I use non-fat cheese here. We are trying to eat healthy around here. Put in your oven for 30 minutes until it's thick. And then this is how it looks, guys. Whew.
This pizza is made with all vegetable and chicken breast. Healthy. All vegetables and chicken breast pizza. Oh, good. You can eat your veggies